The food you eat shapes your body. The food you eat creates your health. The food you eat will change your life. It is the easiest way to stay healthy. Our bodies need nutrients to help us grow and to give us energy. Nutrients help us build bone and fight infection. Eating the right foods can help us control our weights. The right foods can help us prevent sickness. It can prevent diabetes, obesity, hypertension, kidney disease, and heart disease. Do you know if your diet is healthy? A healthy diet contains foods from all the major food groups. It contains fruits and vegetables and grains and proteins and dairy. And it contains these foods in the right amounts. Right amounts are neither too much nor too little. The simplest tool to use to determine what to eat is the MyPlate diagram that you can find on the internet. It helps us see directly how much and what types of food we should include in our diets daily. From the fruit group, we need fruits of all colors. We need vegetables of all colors and types. We need dark green vegetables and red vegetables and orange vegetables and yellow vegetables and starchy vegetables. From the grains group, we should try to limit the amount of refined grains that we include in our diet. And instead, we should try to ensure that at least half of all the grains that we consume every day are whole grains. From the protein group, we should try to include in our diets a variety of lean meats and poultry and beans and lentils and peas and soy. And don't forget the dairy. Dairy gives us calcium and other nutrients. Always try to consume low-fat dairy products such as 1% milk and low-fat cheese. We can ruin a healthy diet by eating foods that can harm us. Foods that can harm us include saturated fats and added sugars and excessive salt. Processed foods that have added sugars and salt can harm us in the long run. Saturated fats can be found in fatty meats and butter and coconut oil and palm oil. These are foods we want to avoid as much as possible. Instead, we should include oils that are polyunsaturated and monounsaturated, such as olive oil and corn oil and canola oil. We should limit the saturated fat and the added sugars in our diet to about 10% of our total daily calories. Limit your salt intake to 1 teaspoon or less a day. It is very important to pay attention to the size of the portions that you eat. I've included in the description below a link to a web page that has an app on it which you can use to calculate your daily calorie requirements. Use this tool to find the total number of calories you should be consuming on a daily basis. Proteins should make up about 10 to 35% of your total daily calories, and carbohydrates should make up 45 to 65% of your daily calories. Your daily calorie needs depend on your age, your sex, your weight, your height, and your activity level. And the app takes all of these into consideration to give you an accurate estimate of what your daily calorie needs are. If you follow these simple suggestions, you can add years of healthy living to your life. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, like and share the video. Leave your comments in the box below. Support this channel by subscribing. Until the next video, stay healthy and stay safe.